Affectionately known as Jumbo, part of the class and among my friends. Yeah, and the professor, we've been friends.
Yes.
So, Professor, I was introduced to learn about the business because me now growing up I was socialized to people say, when you grow up, you need to find a job. So, as I'm growing older, becoming detailed, now I need to find another stream, another way of thinking, a different mindset. So, I need to create a job by myself finding a business. So, I was lucky to get this opportunity via a call I got from AIDS Foundation. AIDS Foundation got that from Mr. Gamini because Mr. Gamini saw me when you program that was facilitated by AIDS Foundation about the leadership. So, meaning me now I've always been keen about social cohesion, about community development as a young or new or small background in terms of community development. So what I liked the most was the teaching style. We inspired to do great, do bigger things, apart from where we come from. We were taught to do with what we have moving forward. So really, from my heart,